Hello everyone! Today I have prepared for you ideas for decorating a hallway. I noticed that most of the ideas presented include wooden elements and at the same time they have a natural color. So, let's start! Dark tones in the interior always look stylish. But do not forget that they are not suitable for very small rooms, as they make them even smaller. Another common myth about dark interiors is that they are not very picky about cleaning. On the contrary, dust is much more visible on dark interiors and you need to clean more often. I tried not to get hung up on any one idea. In the video, I collected many options, from light to dark ideas for both large and small spaces. So, I hope you will definitely like some of them. Enjoy watching!